Hello, hello. So I'm here explaining my trading session today, and yeah, it was a no trading session. So it was an NFP day, and I decided not to trade because we don't trade before NFP, and after NFP there were no good opportunities. So this was the NFP candle here, you see, and after that there's not much we can do, you know, like. Yeah, we could have entered here, but I don't know. It's just already late, and we had resistance here, loads of weeks here. I was not feeling safe entering at this point. So I just didn't enter. I just didn't enter. We could have taken a chance above this, but no, no. It's just no. It's just too much of price action. Price can do that anytime, like this retrace that you saw here. This can happen anytime. And also to the downside, there was nothing really, really good. Like the break of this low here. So we got to break out the range, isn't it, to come down? But the break of this weak low is like just next to the support. So there's nothing to trade here. Really nothing. In terms of GA, there was a trade on GA, but I also didn't took it because again, we are after NFP, we are almost ending the New York session, so it's not really good policy. So NFP candle here, then you have this bearish candle, and then you have this bullish candle, and it broke the high of the previous one. So the next bullish candle, which is this one, it rejected the downside and closed up, as you can see here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. It closed up here, right? So it's almost a write-off candle, dodgy. And the next one is the trick. So the next one, when it breaks this high here, it's a trade here. It's a trade because we are just next to resistance, trying to break the resistance. And once we break the high of this candle, this big candle here of this one, so it's like at 56, 57, 56, 57. We have yeah, we have a chance to go on, but we only gone to 67. So that would be 10 pips. Minus spread is 8 pips. So you see, it would be a break-even trade. And we kind of know that. We kind of know that in an NFP day. Yeah. The before is just choppy action, as you can see here. We expect that. Then there is the NFP thing, which we don't trade in GA or GJ. If we have to trade something, we trade gold. And then we have this opportunity here. Could have been executed, but as it is a Friday and we are heading to the weekend and two we are what? We are like one hour from 1 hour and a half from the New York close. So not really worth it, to risk the profits to do a trade like this. So that it was that. It was that. I'm happy with my decisions again. Not trading is a very good decision. Many, 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 many times. You should only trade when you are sure of what's going to happen. And this is not really a risky trade, but as you can see, it didn't have much room to go because it had all the zones in here. So this one was tested already by this week, but we have this week in here and we have the weeks in there. So not really, not really comfortable trading this with all these rejections on this side. So no, no. So I did the right thing not to trade, and it's hard. It's hard not to trade, but we can do it. And as we do it, we improve our efficiency. That's what we do here. That's what I'm trying to do. That's what my mate's trying to do, and we are going to get it. We only get into trades that are very likely to be profitable. So that's our job here. Cheers, guys. Have a good weekend, everyone, and see you next week. Bye bye. Cheers.